Guys, if you see, I mean, unfortunately, we could not go for the comma screening at the time of Hajit, but we can take the same with the same team. So let us go for all the questions here. We are saying, have any new additional major accident hazard been identified? And the answer is no, because we are not adding any equipment system. So we are saying no MAS is identified. But Rakesh, if you see here in the worksheet,
yes,
this one we are taking 4, but we are saying this is the existing one. So there is no new MAH identified in this workshop, in this scope, right?
yeah.
We are keeping the same control. We are saying the scope is limited to the installation of online dew point analyzer and S2S analyzer and a cable, and this one. The SC and PS shall be prepared online dew point analyzer and this one as a safety critical equipment. 5-year SSCI update will take into the account for new scope of work. This will be the same thing.
Okay, just correct the spelling note.
Yeah, thank you, man. Yeah. So now going for this one, we are saying, have any new or additional MAH? No, that we have seen it, because this is the only installation of dew point analyzer and S2S analyzer. Yeah. Are there any existing location specific major hazard that may impact? No, because there is no facility, only instrument related scope of work. Are any hazardous material involved? No hazardous material, because this is limited to the installation of dew point analyzer and S2S analyzer.
No, Chairman, here involved in the process, put yes, because we conducted this hazard band, right? Are the are any hazardous materials involved in the process? Yes, you can put high H2S.
Okay, but I'm thinking job is done, that is okay. But okay, you want to say yes here?
Yeah.
Are any hazardous material involved? Okay, yes. Okay, we can say yes. Scope is limited to this one.
Hazard is conducted just in the beginning. Hazard workshop is conducted.
A job workshop was conducted for the given scope, yes, okay.